channel. My name is Key, if you don't already know. So I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial today. This wig was sent to me from Fabulosity Hair. They did go ahead and send me this unit that we will be rocking today, so I do appreciate them. To start out, the wig does come in this pretty little pouch. It is a satin pouch that you can go ahead and store your wig back in, and then of course it did come in this big bag. So they did send wig caps, also a edge control brush, which I am going to be using. And let me take it out of the packaging. So it has their logo on the back. The name says Fabulosity, and it's just a regular edge brush. I'm gonna be using that today. And then they did send this big hair bonnet, which is so freaking cute. It's like super big. So the wig we are gonna be rocking is going to be this knotless braid wig. It is gonna be full lace. So as you can see, it has lace from front to back, and then it is super long, and that is how the ends look. And so the inside of it, you do get 3 combs that are in the center. I don't know if you can see that. And then you do get this comb right here that's going to be in the back, and it does come with a adjustable band, and then it has the straps as well. So this is what it looks on, and it looks so freaking gorgeous. Like, wow, it looks so freaking realistic. Gorgeous. And like, I don't even have any powder, foundation, anything on this wig. Like, it looks so freaking good. You do get this braid right here because you can go ahead and do baby hairs with this unit. But look at that, so freaking gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the baby hairs in the front and then go ahead and trim those down. I freaking like the hairline in the lace color, so I don't think I'm gonna apply my foundation like I usually do. I might apply some powder on top, but that's gonna be about it. And then I am gonna Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this unit. So once again, this is from Fabulosity Hair, and I'm freaking living for this knotless braided wig. Like, it is so freaking gorgeous. This is my first one, and it is so freaking gorgeous. I do want to say though, this unit, it is going to be heavy. So you did see me use lace glue. Don't be like me and put your lace glue on top of your foundation. I got somewhere to be and I'm trying to be cute, so I wasn't worried too much about it. But make sure you do clean your skin off before you apply any lace adhesive. I applied lace glue because these braids are heavy and I don't want it to slide back. I don't got the adjustable straps in the back tight enough because I can feel it kind of loose in the back, and I did not glue the back down. I only did the top so that the top will not slide back. So yeah, and then I did do baby hairs. I like the baby hairs like on braids, and of course I said my curly units, I like it to be extra, so I just wanted it all over the front of the face, and I freaking love it like this. If you don't like the baby hairs like this, do not do it. Pluck them out if you want to pluck them out. If you want to use them, use them. If you don't. I like mine like this when it comes to these braids because it looks so freaking exotic. Like, I'm feeling this freaking unit, which I freaking love. Like, I'm not, if y'all ever watch my channel, I'm not a braids kind of person. Like, I don't like braids. I'll probably put braids in, and basically because I'll put braids in for like a day or two, and then I want them back out because I want my hair to swing. I want curly, bouncy, some hair touching me. I don't really care for braids too much, but this right here is freaking cute. Like, I can't believe I like this. Like, this is freaking cute. I freaking love it. These braids, you can tell that they are high quality. Like, I'm not getting any scraggly ends on the bottom. Like, it is braided from root to tip. As you can see, it looks freaking gorgeous, and it looks so freaking pretty. Like, so freaking pretty. I freaking love it. I think this unit, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is gonna be 30. I'm reading off this little tag. I think it's 38 inches. I'm not sure, but this wig is very long. So it's very long. It's like all the way below my butt, so it probably is about 38 inches. So this unit is freaking long. They do have shorter units that you can go ahead and purchase, and I did not show this right here, but there is a coupon code that you can go ahead and use, and there is the information on the bottom if you do want to go ahead and check out their wigs. But I am in love with this freaking wig. I didn't have to add any powder or anything to it. The lace is going to be like a medium, I think I want to say it's a medium brown lace, so it just blended into the skin flawlessly. I didn't apply any foundation. All I did was apply powder, which I applied powder on the sides because, as y'all know, my hairline is kind of low, and I want to say I could have pulled this wig down just a little bit more so that it would cover up my sides, but I didn't do that, so I did have to apply powder on the sides, and I just went ahead and applied it on the top. But that is basically it for this tutorial. Like, this wig right here is a quick freaking slay, and it's very pretty. Like I said, it is a heavy unit, so if you too much don't want a heavy unit, this is not going to be for you. They do have shorter units, so maybe try that, but I will go ahead and leave the links down below where you can purchase this unit at, because baby, you got to get into it. Listen, you got to get into it. This right here is so freaking gorgeous. But I will go ahead and leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.